Another day, another short. I'm taking out the old stock suspension from the A3, and I'm going to be putting the suspension that I had on my A3 that actually came out of a Golf R and has HR lowering springs. So I'm going to be swapping out to this car here, but wanted to show you this neat little tool, this strut spreader tool. You stick it in the hub, tighten it, and take it out. Alright, so basically you just insert it. You need a 17mm socket. Don't go in too deep because the tab on the strut will catch on it and you won't be able to take the strut out. And you got to counter hold it too, so just get a adjustable wrench, put it in the grooves. And tighten. Works a lot better than the tool that you put in there to spread it apart, because it chews up the hub, and this works a lot better. Don't tighten too much because you can break the spindle if you spread it too much. There we go. Oh, here we go.